In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my very first order from skincare and makeup and all kind of things retailer, which is called YesStyle. I'm sure many of you are familiar with this website. For me, it was the very first time. This video is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money, and so keep watching if you are interested, and let's see what I ordered. And I also will share with you a few YesStyle perks that you can use. First of all, I would like to say that for me it was the very first time ordering from YesStyle, and I think I saw like some of my friends on Instagram were sharing that they're going to order, and they offer me to use their rewards code for some extra discounts. So I was interested, and actually I ordered it on February 25th and it arrived, I think, March 2nd. So my order was express shipping. It was shipped via FedEx. It was like really express. Like I didn't expect that it's going to arrive like so fast. My order was in total about $60 and shipping was free. So if your order is less than $59, if it's shipping to United States, but I think it's also worldwide the same, that your shipping should be $59 to reach this free shipping fee. Then I used the coupon savings code. So at that moment when I ordered, YesStyle had a sale. I think it was like clearance stuff, and then I used someone's rewards code discount. That's my friend on Instagram, and then I also paid the tax, and I also used the YesStyle points. It was about $1. I don't remember where I get these points, but I think that was because I downloaded the app and then I used the app, and then they gave me 100 points, and I think 100 points is $1. Basically in total it was $54, and I would say that it was pretty good deal. After all the discounts that I used, it was like minus $10, including the reward savings and someone's code and my points. So that was pretty good deal. When you shop at YesStyle, YesStyle will give you some points. So basically with my order that was $54, I got 500 points, and right now I have also those points to use, which I can use towards my future purchases. But what I don't like about YesStyle rewards codes, coupons, vouchers is that it will expire in a few months, so that makes you feel like, you know, you want to shop more. So let's get into this bag. So this is actually was shipped like this. Like I was surprised that it was shipped in a very flat box via FedEx. I will start actually what I opened already. So I bought this headband for washing the face. So basically it's very simple. I think it costs about $2 or $3 something. So this is how you use it. And all this time I didn't have any bands to wash my face, and I always get my hair going down when I wash my face, especially when I'm washing my face with like cleansing oil, and then, you know, you need to rinse it off very like a lot with a lot of water. Peel off hairs, velcro, something like that. So basically you just put it on the top of your hair, but I like to use it on the back of my hair. As you can see that I have this very long hair that I think after my pregnancy it's still growing up, and I don't have enough length to put it in my ponytail, so I will use it sometime on the back of my head to keep my hair in place. And this is how the packaging looks like, and let me see how much it cost. $276 for 2 pieces. In a hairband was $3.71. I also got these pimple patches from COSRX. I think many people are familiar with this one because it's one of the popular pimple patches ever in this planet. I opened this one, and this one is Acne Pimple Master Patch. It consists of 24 patches, and they are different sizes. What I love about these pimple patches is that they are transparent. They actually stick very well to my skin. One pimple patch I wear like whole day, and so I put it at night and then I wear it whole day, and you know, nobody will see it, and especially if you wear a mask if you go out. So even if you don't wear a mask, you still can wear pimple patches, and like nobody even care if you wear this. And another one was Clear Fit Master Patch. It's 18 patches. I don't know what's the difference between those. I think they are pretty the same, and I think the set of this was about $6 or $7. The rest of my haul was basically sunscreens, and I introduced myself to Japanese beauty. I kind of cheated on K-beauty a little bit. So this is the Suncut sunscreen perfect gel, super waterproof, SPF 50 plus, PA plus plus plus. It's made by Kose. It costs $12.51. It's 100 grams, so it's a little bit more than other sunscreens, because other sunscreens more like 60 grams or 80 grams, so it's like more 2 and 3 ounces. This one is a little bit more. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. And you know what is strange and weird for me to see that Japanese product actually doesn't have like attractive packaging like Korean one, because even if you buy something that is Korean from K-beauty and it's cheap, it will be like very luxurious packaging, but this one is cheap and it looks like drugstore one. And actually I don't mind, because as long as it works and it's good, you know, and then it's fine. I think it has like 4 filters or something. So as far as you remember, that Korean sunscreens right now are less reliable. Some are of course reliable, and they more expensive than those that like around $15-20. But again, you know, you need to check how it works on your skin, if it works with your weather. I mean, yeah, you need to wear sunscreen every day, so it's not like excuse that, you know, I still can use something that is less SPF, but you need to check again, do your own research. So if sunscreen doesn't have a lot of filters, so it's not going to be enough protection for your skin, especially if you have a skin condition and you need to wear sunscreen, you cannot be on the sun too long, then, you know, find the one that has like 4 or 5 filters. That is going to be very strong protection of your skin. And actually this sunscreen is right now out of stock. So what I didn't like about YesStyle is that, for example, you want some item and then you put it in your basket, in your cart, and then after some time when you make up with your purchase and you want to check out, it says that this product will ship after 21 days. So I wanted to get my product shipped fast because I don't know how long it's going to take to come to United States, to California. So I get something that was shipping like in 1 or 2 days. See that something is like available right now and will ship in 1 to 2 days, you need to make a purchase like very fast, because it can run out and be out of stock very fast. So next sunscreen that I bought was ISEHAN. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing this right. It Kiss Me SPF 50 PA+++. Tube looks like a Biore Aqua Sun Gel or something like that. I also haven't used it. And I think this one, again, everything written in completely in Japanese, so you need to search by yourself what's the ingredient list and all the stuff. So, but as far as I remember, all the sunscreens that I chose were like high protection, and they had from 4 to 5 or even 6 filters. And this one is alcohol free, and I think this one, Kose one, is with alcohol. Another one that I bought is Sunkiller Perfect Strong Z SPF 50 PA+++. It's also by ISEHAN, and it's actually very small packaging. I think it's like 1 ounce or something like that. So this one, previous one, it's 50 grams. It's 50 grams, and the price for ISEHAN, the blue one without alcohol, was $8, $8.91, and for this one, the small one, which is only 1 ounce, is $9.81. And another item that I got in my order was this beautiful cleansing oil by Kose. So basically I had the sunscreen and the cleansing oil from the same brand. I'm waiting for my cleansing oil, which is Fenical, my cleansing oil, which is a little bit pricey. I wanted to order it, but then after I searched for another cleansing oils from J Beauty, I found this one, and it has like tons of reviews. It has 3 different types, and it's 240 milliliters for $15. Good price and great value for the price and the size. I haven't opened it yet. I'm waiting for my cleansing oil that I'm using right now and other cleansers to finish, because you know I feel very bad to open skincare and then don't use it, and then it will expire after 12 months of once you open it. But actually Fenical one that I talked before in one of my video about cleansers of 2020, you can check this video in my description, or I will leave it right here. That cleansing oil should be used within 4 months, so it has a very short shelf life. This one, I think once you open it, you need to use it within again, nothing written right here, but I think you need to use it, well, standard is 12 months, but that one, it has no preservatives, so that's why it needs to be used like within 4 months. And I also wanted to share with you that if you are into skincare and makeup and you have a blog about reviewing things, you can sign up to be YesStyle influencer, and while you shop on YesStyle you can get points. So I already told you that for every dollar you get 10 times points than those who are not influencers. So that's why I got my points, 500 points, which is going to be $5 off. Well, actually right now I have like $7.5 off, which is going to expire in May. So you're also free to use my rewards code. So I am not sure how much I'm going to get because I'm new to this. So if you want, you can use my code, which I leave in the description box below, and also you can use the code that is for current event on YesStyle, and they have spring sales and many other discounts. So also check if you know, if your order is about $59, it's express shipping, and sometimes they had like last week they had offer of $49 express shipping if you live in the United States. I didn't use it because again, I have so much skincare that I got even for free, which I bought a few months ago, and I feel very bad to open it and then don't use it. I guess this is all for today. This is my unboxing of my J Beauty haul from YesStyle, and I hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and if you are interested into skincare, makeup and unboxing, you can subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you will see my future uploads, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye, have a good day.